Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. 1. Hanapin mo. Nandyan lang siya sa tabi-tabi. Pwedeng siya na pala yung kachat mo araw-araw. O gabi-gabi. Okay. 2. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Dating sites, dating apps. I-check mo doon, baka naroon siya. Oo. Easy, right? 3. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Ask your friends. They might know who your soulmate is. Yes, okay. 4. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. I-attract mo. Law of attraction. Use it, better know how. Alamin kung paano, okay. 5. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Look around. He or she might just be there around. Sa paligid. Baka nakasalubong mo na pala. Nang hindi mo namamalayan, okay? 6. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Show your best self. Improve yourself every day. Oo, okay. Anyway, I'm facing anxiety right as of this moment. Sorry po. 7. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Offer him or her coffee and cake or any desserts. If wala pa, dun palagi tumambay sa coffee shop or donut shop or cake shop. Baka naroon siya, then treat mo, okay. 8. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Mamasyal palagi sa park. Or kung gusto mo, sa theme park pa or amusement park. Baka nandoon siya. Hintayin mo makasalubong. Or baka nasa pila pa. 9. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Okay, kung ma-meet mo siya, do the moves. Magpapansin ka, magpa-cute ka, magpaganda ka, magpagwapo ka, okay? Okay. So, yung naligo, mabango, plus fresh breath. 10. Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Ano ba positive sa'yo? Doon ka mag-concentrate. Work it out, okay? Bakit mo pala hinahanap soulmate mo? At bakit gusto mo siya ma-meet? At makilala? Paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Makikilala mo siya kung desidido ka. At kung tama na ang panahon. Kasi destiny yan, fate at tadhana. Pero ikaw ang magmo-moves. Oo, okay. So, ikaw ang unang gagawa ng paraan. Okay. Enjoying this video. I hope na nagugustuhan mo ang love and life advices ko dito sa vlog ko at channel ko na Speak Up Dear. Okay, so, paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Use your imagination para ma-attract mo siya sa life mo. Okay? Okay. Use the law of attraction as I always do say. Because I've said it. And as well as I have said. Okay? Okay. So, paano makilala si soulmate mo? 10 tips. Be presentable always, all the time. Be nice, be neat. Wear proper clothing, okay. But also, shows your true personality. Okay, so, this is Speak Up Dear channel. I hope na i-like mo, mag-comment ka at mag-subscribe. Speak up, dear. Anxiety issue, sorry po. Palagi nga po ako may anxiety eh. Pero ayaw ko po nito. Nagpe-pray po ako palagi po. Sana gumaling. Ewan ko lang. Speak up, dear.